Hey, today I got 4 winter tips for your BMW so your winter time is more pleasant even than it is right now. Since temperatures are below freezing point and here in Poland during the day this all melts and then by night it all freezes up again. We have to be especially careful for the mechanical parts that are moving automatically. If something is freezed up, it's covered with ice and it moves automatically, you can break the mechanism or break the electric motor that is controlling this device. So what I'm talking about is, for example, your mirrors. If you have auto-folding mirrors, it's a good idea not to use this feature if you are leaving your car overnight and there's a risk that your mirrors will be all frozen up. If there's ice over here and you will try to unfold your mirrors in the morning when you are opening your car, this ice can cause mirror damage. And of course, folding mirrors are not controlled only by this button, you can also fold them from the remote. So if you are afraid that you will use this feature by mistake, you can always remove this feature from your car. You can change the car coding so the remote folding mirrors will not work. And the same thing goes for the dipping mirror. So I have a dipping mirror feature in my car. When I put my car in the reverse, you can see that the passenger side mirror goes all the way down, so I can see the curb when I'm reversing. And to disable this feature, you just have to make this switch set to the right side. When it's set to the driver's side, you can control the driver's mirror manually, and the passenger side is controlled automatically based on the gear that you have selected. So when you switch it to the passenger side, the right mirror will no longer dip. And this is for the same reason that we are not using the folding mirrors. We just don't want to break the mechanism by moving the mirror when the whole assembly is frozen. And since we have all this ice and snow over here, and you have BMW and you want to have some fun on the snow, you can also disable the traction control. If you press it once, you can see that you have the DTC, the dynamic traction control, disabled at the moment. And when you press and hold it for about 5 seconds, you have this kind of warning, and this means that the traction control is completely off. You can take control of the car, but be careful, of course. Don't use it on public roads. Be safe and have fun. And the last tip is wipers service position. When you turn the ignition off, remove the key, move the wiper stalk upwards and hold it. And your wipers will go to the service position. Thanks to that, you can bend the wipers arms, and in the morning when you are removing snow and ice from your car, you have great access to your windscreen. You don't have the risk that your wipers are frozen to the glass. I hope that those tips helped you. Give me a thumbs up if they do, and have fun. See you soon.